Hello! You clicked on this video because you want to learn how to create your first Instagram guide. And guess what? You're in the right place. My name's Andrea Jones, and I'm about to show you how to do that. But I wanted to give you a little bit of a preview to this video, a little bit of an asterisk, because I originally created this tutorial for my members in the Savvy Social School. So you may hear some references to the school in this video. Don't panic. You still get all of the juicy tutorial details. All right, let's dive into it. All right, let's start creating your first Instagram guide. Now you're gonna navigate to your homepage. As you can see, I'm here now. And in the upper right-hand corner, there is a plus sign there. And once you tap on that, it'll give you a few options and you'll be able to see guide at the bottom of those options. So we're gonna tap on guide. Now you have a few different options here. You can create a guide based on places in your city or beyond. You can also choose to use products, either your products on your page or products on other folks' page. And you can also choose to create a guide based on posts, either posts that you've created or posts that you've saved. So that's the option that I'm going to do for this tutorial. Now, once you tap on that, it does pull up your posts. And I will say from this view, it is tough unless you know exactly what the caption is for every post. So before you get here, consider kind of identifying which posts you want. I chose to go the saved route. So you can tap on over to save. So at the bottom here, you see your posts, you see saved. You can go by category. I just have a few here and I'm going to choose those four for this tutorial. From here, you're going to click next. And you first thing you want to do is change the cover photo. So you can either use, again, your posts, your saved, or from your guide. I'm actually going to use an option from our posts because I know that I want this to be about the mentorship program. And it's actually coming out a little bit cropped. So what I'm going to do instead is just use one of my photos. All right, now that I have a photo selected, I'm going to add a title, add a description. Okay, from here, you want to add a title and description for each photo. Okay, once you have a title and description for each post, you can go ahead and post your guide. Now you can always come back and edit this, but I do want to kind of move forward so you guys can see the final product. So this guide will be shared to your profile. You can save it as a draft at this stage as well. I will say if you want to save it as a draft, do it at this stage. If you back out of this in the previous section where you're editing, you don't get to save, and I learned that the hard way. But from here, you can hit share, and it will show up on your profile. Now, I do find that unless you share the guide, like share that you have a guide, most people won't know that it's there, but you can now see the guides icon here on your profile. So really these guides are for people who are visiting your profile for the first time, but you can take a look at the guide here. You can tap on it, view it, and you can share it from this section to your story, which I highly recommend as you're creating your guides. Now you can also scroll through and see all of the posts here. You can add posts and you can make edits as necessary. Click the three little dots, click edit guide and edit away. And once you're done, it's edited. So this is more of an evergreen style content for your profile. Good luck on creating your first guide. Hey, did that help? Did you create your first Instagram guide? Drop a link to your Instagram guide below this video. I'd love to check it out. And if you're looking for more social media support, make sure to check out our free course. The link is below this video. It will help you become a social media rock star and really build out a strategy that works for you. I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye for now.